Yo, what is up, guys? It is Tom back with another cryptocurrency video. Today is going to be a special one, guys. I want to touch on two coins that I'm really liking. I have an open position in VERTCOIN as of now. I really think we could see some big upside potential coming into the next couple weeks. And a brief explanation on a swing trade I'm going to go in on. Well, maybe go in on. I have to see if a couple things pan out on metal. First of all, before I start the video, thank you guys for subscribing. We hit 300 subscribers, which is crazy, guys. Thank you so much. We're growing a great community here. So, as promised, I'm going to do the Bitcoin giveaway at the end of this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. We talk about cryptocurrencies and investing every day. So, guys, jumping right into this, not wasting any time with VERTCOIN. VERTCOIN's on my radar again. Obviously, for me at least, it's been a little bit disappointing in terms of price action. Obviously we can't expect that much. I don't expect that much out of VERTCOIN. Judging by the low market cap, I do like circulating supply in relation to market cap. Gives me the impression that we could really grow here. I'm liking the team behind VERTCOIN. I'm liking everything they stand for. Liking the community feel, but also, guys, I don't really want to fall in love with the coin that much, so to speak. So here's the main thing why I'm bringing this up, guys. Because, the reward reduction per block, I think is happening in December. Don't quote me on this, but and essentially, I think this could spike the price. Have a decent sized price action, right? Because when we saw this kind of thing happening with Litecoin, if we look back in history, we'll see price action when they kind of did this reward reduction. The price mooned, right? A lot of people like to compare VERTCOIN, saying it's going to be the next Litecoin. The reason why I don't like doing this, guys, and kind of comment below if you think my thought process is good. You know, Litecoin allows ASIC miners, right? And VERTCOIN does not, and I think that's the main distinction between the two. VERTCOIN is really for the people. They don't like this idea of huge mining farms, huge ASIC mining farms to kind of give the power, give the control back to the average Joe Schmo, Schmucko like you and I, right? And that's good and bad because obviously in terms for growth and long-term growth, I don't see it being the next Litecoin, and I know that's going to get a lot of you VERTCOINers, riled up, but I do think it's good to take a rational approach to this. Obviously, I'm invested in VERTCOIN myself. I like the project, but due to, the marketing of Litecoin and, they allow ASIC, that's good for them, but VERTCOIN is its own coin, guys, and I don't think we should be comparing it to Litecoin too much based on that reason. Why, Litecoin isn't essentially taking those specific steps to kind of be for the people, and that's why I like VERTCOIN is because they don't allow these huge mining farms. The only downside I will say, guys, I was reading through the Reddit, and what is up with this VERTCOIN mining? It seems like a lot of people are having trouble with this, and this is concerning. So if you guys out there are mining VERTCOIN, if you have any problems, let me know. What is the big problem with it? I mean, the one-click wallet thing, a lot of people have been having problems with it. They claim they're setting it up properly. Listen, I don't know. I don't personally mine VERTCOIN. I'm looking into it though. Um, but they're saying so a lot of people are getting very agitated and saying, "Oh, it's built on antiquated software." Obviously, I'm not huge into the mining space. But for all you VERTCOIN miners out there, what's the problem? What's going on? I mean, is this just like a fluke, or is there an actual problem that needs to be addressed? Because it seems like a lot of people in the VERTCOIN community are having issues with the mining. So, guys, that is why I think that VERTCOIN and Litecoin really shouldn't be compared too much, based on the fact of the whole ASIC miner thing. But the happening with this, guys, I think is going to be really, really good. That pretty much will double the price, I think. I do think a proper valuation for VERTCOIN, going over the next 6 months, I land myself at a $10 price target. I really don't want to get overextended with those prices, guys, because I mean, I don't want to stir up a whole rile up in the community here, but I really don't see this being the next Litecoin. But I do, I think it's a solid coin, guys. I think it's very solid. I like it. I'm personally invested. I'm looking to add, maybe before, I think it was, yeah, I wrote it down here. December 12th, I think, is the happening. Um, Obviously, I haven't had a lot of time to do a ton of research because I've been swamped with schoolwork. But definitely look out for that, guys. I think we could see a lot of price action with VERTCOIN. So that covers VERTCOIN pretty much. Oh yeah, so guys, they're saying that, by the way, Upbit wasn't our December surprise. I mean, the thing that I don't like about market the teams, like the Vertcoin team is very active. I get it; they're on Upbit, which is great, but they're kind of creating this hype that they're like, oh, that wasn't the major surprise. So everybody's getting hyped up. I think that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy the rumor, sell the news, because with a lot of these coins, they're hyping it up, and then when they announce the news, a lot of people aren't satisfied. So it's kind of like an overpromise, under-deliver type thing, and then people get pissed off and sell. The thing I like about the Vertcoin community, though, is it seems like a lot of members in this community aren't in for the pump and dump, and that they're actually holding coins and they're not, in it just for the quick spike. So that's why I like Vertcoin. I think it'll be long and sustained growth. So that's a good pick for me. Obviously, I'm no financial advisor. Guys, do your own due diligence, but I list Vertcoin as a very solid coin. Moving over to metal, guys, this is what I want to talk about mainly. So as we can see here, let's go over to the metal chart. Obviously, metal was on my radar back when it was trading, I think, at like $14. I thought it was a pretty good project, but guys, it has been absolutely getting hammered. Like, look at this, guys. And this is what I'm saying. You don't want to buy coins at all time highs. You want to look at them. It's getting attractive now that it's getting freaking hammered, right? Um, this is when you want to take a second look, a second evaluation at a coin when it's at a discounted price, so to speak. We never want to buy premium, guys. Trust me, we never want to buy premium. Obviously, I'm gonna tell you guys, gonna be transparent. I'm not too you know involved in the metal community. I personally am not holding at the moment, but I am looking to enter in on a possible swing trade here due to the fact that metal is set to speak at a pretty big conference. And the reason why I found this out, guys, was just obviously I do my research on Reddit, and it says Marshall will be speaking at the Future of Money and Technology Summit in San Francisco on December 4th. Um, is this big? Could this be a catalyst to now kind of make a correction for the upward in terms of price action? I think so. I mean, this thing has been absolutely getting hammered. I mean, is there any is there, could this go much lower? I really don't think so, guys. And what you have to understand is when you're looking at coins to buy, when you're looking at investments, when you buy at all-time highs, people are like, "Oh, things are going great. I'm buying with the hype. That lowers my risk." But that is not the case, guys. When you're buying coins at all-time highs, that's actually heightening your risk. That's what a lot of traders and investors don't know. You want to look for things that have been taking a huge hit, but that have solid fundamentals, that have solid backing, and that's what I see with metal here. So let's scroll down here. Yeah, Marshall, this guy. So he is the CEO of Metal. He is going to be speaking at this conference, The Future of Money. Reason why I think this could be a catalyst is because there's very, very credible people speaking at this event. We have Dash in here, which is, pretty big, and I think American Express, Capital One is going to be at this event. So could we be seeing some sort of partnership maybe? Could they be announcing something big? Could this be a catalyst of we kind of get in before some big news happens? Obviously, this is a complete speculation, but I just think that since metal has been taking such a beating, maybe this could be the catalyst that turns things around, guys. I mean, hey, I don't know. Also, another thing to point out, one of the people here on Reddit, in regards to metal, we're talking about. So metal is essentially metal pay is built on is an Ethereum based project, right? And they brought up a good point that, a lot of the people in the marijuana industry are looking for places to put their cash because, they have millions of dollars worth of cash and banks actually aren't accepting them. They're turning them away. So this kind of opens a market for metal because maybe, they could give the money to metal to kind of take and hold their capital from their earnings in the medical marijuana industry. And I think that's why we've been seeing some minor spikes in Potcoin. I think the longevity of some of these marijuana cryptocurrencies is going to be on the uprise due to the fact that we see this confliction with, you know, owners, growers of, medical marijuana, all that stuff, and just literally banks aren't taking their money. I don't know why, guys. I don't really want to get into too much of the politics for it. If you believe in, medical marijuana, should it be legalized or not? That's not for me to say. But I do think that it's a little messed up that these people that are following the law, they're growing and they're contributing to the marijuana community in a legal way. They're not being able to kind of put their money into banks because the banks won't take their money. So I think this could be a major play with metal. Maybe some partnerships. I don't know. Obviously, this is all speculation for me, but the future of money event, and they're going to be speaking at another event. I think in 2 months from now. No, in March, and they have some pretty big investors on the panel. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think that this is going to be the big turnaround for metal? I mean, it could, but I think it is at a good price point. It's been hit. So that just recaps it. Metal's on my radar, VERTCOIN's on my radar for the near future. Both of these things have a great potential of spiking. Obviously, I'm no financial advisor. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. And that's about it, guys. Please tell me if you liked the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this Bitcoin giveaway, guys. Obviously, I'm not freaking Rockefeller over here, so we're not gonna have. I'll probably give away like 10 or 15 bucks worth of Bitcoin, but yeah, guys, VERTCOIN, metal, looking good, looking good. I'm not really too big on metal, but you know, I think it's gonna be good for swing. Let's see who the winner is here. Kellen Quinn. So glad to have found this channel. So much I've learned so far, and I'm sure there's only gonna be more to learn. Congrats on 300. Hey, thank you. I appreciate that. I mean, that's awesome that you won this giveaway. Let me copy and paste your wallet address, and obviously appreciate you for watching. That's awesome. That's really what I want to do, guys. I made this channel just to bring awareness to cryptocurrencies. Let's see if I don't screw this up here. I've never done this before. No, I don't want to give you 0.02. I'm not Trevon James here, guys. I'm not no Ryan Hildreth here. I'm still a broke college kid with only about $80,000, guys. 13. Let's see. Most of you guys are probably watching this cringing right now. Okay, let's send you your $14.62 worth of Bitcoin. Let's just check on that wallet address, guys. I really don't want to fuck this up. FP. Yeah, it looks good, guys. So there it is sent. You have your Bitcoin. Hey, and thanks, guys, for watching the channel. I'm going to try to do more of these giveaways. I really don't want to flood you guys with just giving away free money here, but I actually do believe in the cryptocurrency market. I think it's great. And I mean, coming from the stock market, volatility just wasn't there for me. And, as someone that comes from a technical analysis background, the price action is just so much more lucrative in this market, guys. And there's so many great projects. I mean, obviously, we could have this debate if Bitcoin's a bubble or not, but, there's actually some really good projects in the cryptocurrency space. So that's why I'm getting involved. I want to spread the word about cryptocurrencies. And, guys, as always, I'll see you next time.